Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 8 from the chapter of atoms. The topic is the scattering of alpha particles, and based on this topic I have framed one question for this session, which is written here on this board. So the question here is, in an alpha particle scattering experiment, 112 particles were scattered at 60 degree. The number of particles scattered at 90 degree is, so we have 4 options there and we have to find the correct option. Now we all know that the relationship between the number of scattered particles and the scattering angle is given by n is directly proportional to 1 upon sine theta by 2 to the power 4. So here n is what? It is the number of scattered particles and theta is the scattering angle. So in the first case, let us say the number of scattered particle is equal to n1 and this is equal to 112. And the scattering angle, say theta 1, this is equal to 60 degree. And in the second case, the number of scattered particle is to be found, and let us say this is equal to x, and the scattering angle, say theta 2, this is equal to 90 degree. So if I use this relation, then n1 upon n2, this will be equal to sine theta 2 upon 2 to the power 4 divided by sine theta 1 by 2 to the power 4. So by using this relation, we will be able to find the value of n2, that is the number of scattered alpha particles at 90 degree. So here n1 is given to us as 112 and n2 has been taken as x. Now here theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees, so theta 2 by 2 will be equal to 45 and sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 to the power 4 will be equal to 1 by root 2 to the power 4 divided by, and this theta 1 is equal to 60 degrees, so theta 1 by 2 will be equal to 30 degree. So sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, so this will be 1 by 2 to the power 4. So from here 112 upon x, this will be equal to, now this 1 upon root 2 to the power 4 will be equal to 1 upon 4 divided by, this will be equal to 1 upon 16. So this is equal to 1 upon 4 into 16 upon 1. So 112 upon x, this is equal to 4. So from here it implies that x, which is the number of alpha particles scattered at 90 degrees, this is equal to 112 by 4 and this is equal to 28. So the number of alpha particles scattered at 90 degree will be equal to 28 and the correct option is B. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic of scattering of alpha particles. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.